The emergency meeting of the OPEC Plus members took place yesterday. The cartel decided to stick to its plan of a gradual output increase, but oil still continues to grow despite this fact. The outcome of the meeting did not surprise the markets, as the decision to ramp up production was approved in August. However, the increase in supply may not be enough to calm the panic ahead of the heating season, and markets are well aware of this. The energy crisis seems to be out of control now, so crude prices keep extending their rally to hit new record highs. The quotes are hovering near 3-year peaks and may easily bring us back to 2014, when the price of oil was around $100 a barrel. At the moment, Brent crude seems to be overbought, but won't stop its uptrend. In a day, the price reached the level of October 2018 at $82 a barrel, and that's not the limit. The range between 83 and 86.70 seems relevant now. A halt within this channel may slow down the pace of growth. In case the price of Brent leaves this range, it's very likely to head for the levels last seen in 2014. As for WTI crude, it has also considerably advanced. Yesterday, WTI broke through the level of $76.70 a barrel. Notably, after hitting the local high of July 6 this year, the price of WTI overcame the high of 2018, so the quote settled above the level of $77 per barrel. At the moment, key technical indicators are clearly signaling the overbought status of oil. This may lead to a subsequent technical correction from $77 to $75 a barrel in the near term. The situation in the oil market continues to support the Russian currency. However, we have mentioned earlier that growth potential of the ruble has already reached its limit. A rapid surge in oil prices did not push the ruble much higher. It certainly strengthened, but failed to leave the channel where it has been stuck for 2 weeks. This means that higher energy prices are not enough for the ruble to develop a rapid uptrend. On the contrary, negative news and a drop in oil prices will definitely trigger a sharp decline in the ruble's value. In the meantime, the dollar-ruble pair has finished its sideways movement that has been observed between 72.60 and 73 for 2 weeks. Yesterday, the price broke below the lower boundary of this range and may well pull back to the level of 72.80 rubles per dollar. In case the quote moves down below 72.24, this will signal further weakening of the US dollar against the ruble. Meanwhile, the euro-ruble pair couldn't hold above the level of 84.90. The pair has returned to the value of 84 rubles per euro and keeps trading in this range. A further downtrend will be possible if the price pulls back to 83.95 and settles below this mark for some time. However, we can already see that this scenario is not relevant, so traders can expect a natural rebound towards the area of 84.60 rubles per euro. As we can see, the ruble remains quite stable today amid a positive news background and a rally in oil prices. So far, the energy market has downplayed the possibility of a decline and no longer serves as a driver for the Russian ruble. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.